Hello, welcome to the Citrix Ready PartnerSpeak series. My name is Divya Sagar and I'm the marketing manager for the Citrix Ready program. Today I have with me Susan Miller, who's the Chief Strategy Officer at AnyPresence. Hi Susan.
Good morning.
Good morning. So would you like to quickly introduce yourself, your company and the product that is Citrix Ready verified with us?
Sure. So AnyPresence is the leading enterprise mobile backend as a service and API builder. We are very excited to be here and be a part of Synergy. This is our second Synergy and coming off Summit earlier this year. Excited to continue our very strong partnership with Citrix.
Great. And talk a little bit about your product and how does it integrate with various Citrix technologies?
Sure. So we are working on a really strategic initiative with Citrix. So as we have seen the role of enterprise mobility management expand beyond just BYOD and securing apps and securing devices, the trend that we're seeing right now in corporate IT is IT, EMM, trying to figure out what is the role that they should play in app governance and in accelerating app development and providing scale. And so the partnership that we have worked on is a whole life cycle, holistic app development approach where companies would leverage AnyPresence to have all of the complexity of integrating with data sources and systems and adding in things like user roles and authentication, a lot of the complexity or the plumbing of your mobile apps. AnyPresence would facilitate that, potentially also even creating a restification layer so that there are REST APIs that can easily be consumed into a mobile app. From there, we actually generate code. So we'll generate iOS, Android, HTML5, Windows 8 phone, Java, hitting any different endpoint, whether it's a mobile app, a web app, the Internet of Things. And from there, the nice code level integration that we're working on right now with Zen Mobile enables us to have a number of different things around securely accelerating that works wrapping process and the works verification, and then also working toward code level integration that would enable very easy deployment into Zen Mobile. So what we see is apps have all sorts of different requirements, and some of them are going to need to go right through Zen Mobile into an enterprise app store, where other apps might need to be deployed on-premise or perhaps in the cloud. And so we're the only solution that gives you complete flexibility with the code level integration to Citrix or to deploy on-premise or in the cloud as needed.
Wow, that sounds fantastic. And your app is listed on the Citrix Ready Marketplace, and I'm sure it's giving high visibility to the customers and the users of the marketplace. So what else? How else do you, engage with the Citrix Ready program, and how have you benefited from it?
Well, we have built a very strong relationship with a number of folks across the product management team, and of course through the sales teams and channels as well. Let's see, gosh, we have a couple different apps that are in the Works Ready store, verified apps that have been wrapped. You can take a look at those. They're great examples of how you can accelerate all the complexity of the integration that goes into an app. But one of the things that's really interesting about them is that they continue to be extensible and configurable. So instead of just downloading an app, you could think of it almost as a template where you can leverage the AnyPresence platform to continue to refine and add in different types of integrations or requirements for your app.
Great. So what are your customers looking for more, and what's your vision going forward, Susan?
I mean, I think there are a couple things that enterprise IT wants to see. One is they want app development to be less expensive. It has certainly become, pockets of mobile spending all over the enterprise. And so I think IT is looking for a way that they can put some scale and risk management around the app development process. I think second, we see companies want to have complete flexibility to not only own the IP of whatever they're generating, but to be able to use any UI tool of their choice. You're going to have some of your developers who love Xamarin and others who want to use Xcode or Android developer toolkits, PhoneGap, whatever. Bottom line, they want complete flexibility to use whatever it is that they prefer. And then of course we see concerns around just the scale and the governance, the controls that you can put around app development. So in collaborating with the Zen Mobile team, what we've been able to put together is a solution that not only lets you very quickly assemble an app, secure it and deploy it, but create almost a service catalog for IT to offer around app development. So imagine different templates or widgets or integration kits that are controlled and governed by IT, but that still give the developers all that flexibility that they need to build apps the way that they want to.
Perfect. I totally agree with that. Thank you, Susan. So if you need any more information on AnyPresence app, product, or company, do visit the Citrix Ready Marketplace profile pages. And this is Susan and Divya signing off today at Citrix Synergy. Thank you for watching the Citrix Ready PartnerSpeak series.